Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. So for this video I will be showing you how to make an alarm system in Tinkercad without using a breadboard. So let's get started. First I'll be needing a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Then I'll be needing a 9 volt battery. Then I'll be needing a photoresistor, which is also called LDR. Then I'll be needing a transistor, and finally I'll be needing a piezo buzzer. So let's get started. Now I will place this buzzer right here. I'll place this register here, LDR here, transistor. I'll flip it like this and place it like this over here. Then I'll be placing this battery over here like this. This will be the setting so that it's easy for me to make my project, which is my alarm system. Now I'll connect the positive of the register, positive of the buzzer to the to the terminal 1 of the LDR like this. Okay. Now I'll connect the negative of the buzzer to the collector of the transistor like this. Now I'll connect the terminal 1 of the LDR to the positive of the battery. Now I'll connect the negative of the battery to the emitter of the transistor like this. Now I'll connect the terminal 1 of the resistor to the emitter of the transistor like this. Okay. Now I'll connect the base of the transistor to terminal 2 of the resistor. Now I'll connect the same base of the transistor to terminal 2 of the photoresistor or the LDR like this. Now let's test if it's working or not. When I click on start simulation and then I click on LDR and do this, the sun rays is high, the buzzer works, and when it's low, the buzzer stops working. And like it's not the sun rays, we can also do it with our hand or anything like pencil, eraser, book, anything. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chhavi. And if you have any doubt, then type it in the comment section down below. Thank you.